Counting TF values for several conditions. I am a beginner using pandas. I'm looking for mutations on several patients. I have 16 different conditions. I simply write a code about it, but how can do this by for loop? I try to find the changes on mut column and set them as true and false. Then try to count the true/false numbers. I have done for only 4. Can you suggest a more simple way, instead of writing the same code 16 times?
I'm not an expert with using pandas, so don't know if there's a cleaner way of doing this, but perhaps the following might work. Basically, go through each unique character, T, G, C, then pull out the values that you need, then finally stick the numbers in a dictionary. Then, once the loop is finished, you can fetch whatever numbers you need back out of the dictionary.
Just use value_counts, this will give you a count of all unique values in your column, no need to create 16 variables.